Erik is gonna jump out of a plane at 120 miles per hour. He's gonna fall from 14,000 feet, and he has 60 seconds to get a signature from me using one of our Qix mobile apps. Erik, you ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
All right, let's do it. Qix is built by lawyers for lawyers, so it's time to put our system to the test. Let's go. Erik is about to jump. Are you guys ready for this? Erik, can you hear me?
Do it.
3, 2, 1, go. He has 60 seconds. The clock starts right now. Let's wait for the notification. He only has 60 seconds. He's going to be falling at 120 miles per hour in free fall outside of that plane. Pretty legendary. Oh, I hear him.
Are you ready? I'm ready! We're doing it!
He said he's sending the signature. Okay.
Is it working?
And, all right, we got the notification. Here we go. Okay, let's sign this document.
Oh, are you trying to jump off an airplane? Oh, is it too late to say not jump?
Done. Signed. Looks like it was that fast. And Erik was able to do it from 14,000 feet in the air. You tell me, did that put it to the test? See you guys next time.
Yeah, it was good.
It was fun?
Successful.
You made it. Good job up there. Thanks for coming out and jump with us.